Welcome to our video on starting a local service business in the modern style. We'll show you how to leverage current marketing trends for success. Looking for a simple and effective business idea? Sometimes the best opportunities are right in your own neighborhood. The easiest business to start is often a local service, not necessarily an online one. Let's explore why. Local service businesses cover a wide range of needs. Here are a few examples to spark your imagination. Consider services like cleaning, tutoring, or professional organizing. These are always in demand locally. Other great ideas include event support or local photography services. Use your skills to serve your community. What makes a local service business successful today is modern marketing. The way we connect with clients has changed significantly. Leverage platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook groups. These are powerful tools for hyperlocal advertising. You can now get clients fast and efficiently using social media networks, bypassing the need for expensive traditional advertising. This type of business is ideal for certain individuals and circumstances. Let's see if it's the right fit for you. The best part? Local service businesses often provide immediate cash flow, allowing you to see returns quickly. If you're a beginner or have limited time, a local service business is flexible and easy to manage alongside other commitments. You don't need much capital to get started. Low startup costs make this a highly accessible option for anyone. A local service business, when done with modern marketing, is a fantastic way to build a reliable income stream and serve your community. Ready to get started? Harness the power of local demand and modern marketing to launch your successful service business today. Welcome to our quick guide on selling AI-generated designs and art. If you're looking for a low barrier to entry side hustle, this is for you. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing creativity. You no longer need years of training to produce stunning visual art and design work. AI tools can take a simple text prompt and turn it into professional quality designs, opening up incredible opportunities for beginners. That's right, zero design experience is required. AI handles the complexity, leaving you to focus on the creative direction and market strategy. This venture is the perfect blend of human creativity and technological automation. You dream it, AI generates it, and you sell it. So what exactly can you create and sell using AI? The possibilities are vast, but here are some popular ideas. High-demand items include wall art. Think digital prints that customers can download and print at home to decorate their living spaces. You can also generate designs for journal covers, planners, and fun digital stickers for instant download. AI is excellent for generating eye-catching social media posts, stories, and graphics that drive engagement and growth for brands or personal use. When it comes to selling, emotional niches tend to perform best. These are themes that resonate deeply with people. Designs centered around themes of faith and hope connect with large audiences looking for inspiration and positivity. Motivation and family-themed designs are also highly popular, catering to those seeking daily encouragement and celebrating family bonds. Once you've generated your incredible designs, where do you sell them? You have several excellent platforms to choose from. Marketplaces like Etsy, Creative Market, or Redbubble are fantastic starting points. They handle much of the transaction process, allowing you to focus on creation. Don't overlook social media. Platforms like Instagram or TikTok can be used as a direct sales funnel, especially for digital products. AI has leveled the playing field for artists and entrepreneurs. Start experimenting with AI-generated art and launch your new business today. Welcome to the future of earning. Today, we're diving into one of the strongest long-term business ideas you can build, the personal brand plus micro-business model. This strategy is all about leveraging your unique expertise to create multiple income streams and attract incredible opportunities. In 2026 and beyond, trust is your most valuable currency. Your personal brand builds that trust, which directly translates into income. So why a personal brand? It's the foundation for everything, allowing you to stand out and connect authentically with your audience. A strong personal brand instantly builds authority and credibility in your niche, positioning you as a trusted expert. Unlike a single job, a personal brand allows you to easily monetize through multiple avenues, creating stable and diverse income. When you consistently show up as an expert, opportunities, partnerships, and collaborations will naturally come knocking. Now let's talk about what truly matters for success in this space. It's not about scale, it's about focus. Forget the pressure of needing millions of followers. That's an outdated metric for success. What you need is clarity on your message and consistency in delivering value to your specific audience. Here are the primary ways you can turn your personal brand into a thriving micro-business. Selling services, such as consulting or freelance work, is the fastest way to generate income based on your expertise. Create scalable income by selling digital products like ebooks, templates, online courses, or planning tools. High-value coaching or mentorship programs allow you to work closely with dedicated clients, significantly increasing your income per client. As your influence grows, affiliate marketing and sponsorships provide passive income opportunities. This model is about building a scalable business centered around you and your unique value. A personal brand combined with a micro-business is one of the most resilient and rewarding long-term strategies you can adopt. Start cultivating your expertise, building trust, and creating your future income stream today. Are you ready to start a business but unsure of which path to take? This video will guide you through choosing the right business for you and inspire you to start right now. The first step to business success is choosing a venture that aligns with your personality, goals, and passions. To help you narrow down your options, ask yourself these 3 critical questions about your preferences and goals. First, do you prefer creativity or structure? This will determine if a more freeform or a systematic business model is better for you. Next, consider your income goals. Do you want fast income, or are you aiming for long-term sustainable growth and income? Finally, where is your focus? Do you like teaching, selling, or creating? Choose a business that leverages your natural strengths. Once you've decided on a business, the next crucial step is making a solid commitment. The biggest trap is trying to do too many things at once. Choose just one business to start. Commit to this single business for a full 90 days. Give it your undivided attention and consistent effort. Avoid the common beginner mistake of jumping between ideas. Consistency in one venture is how you build true momentum. Now for the final motivation. What is the single biggest mistake that beginners make when starting a business? The biggest mistake beginners make is simply waiting to start. Fear of the unknown often paralyzes action. They wait for confidence, they wait for the perfect timing, or they wait until they feel ready. These moments rarely come pre-packaged. Instead of waiting, we need to focus on action and creating momentum. In the modern entrepreneurial world, readiness comes after action, not before. You learn by doing, not by planning. You don't need everything figured out. The goal is to gain momentum. Take that first step, no matter how small. Remember that your future self is watching what you do today. What will they think of your actions? 1 year from now, you will either say, "I'm glad I started," or "I wish I had." The choice is entirely yours. The easiest business to start is the one you stop overthinking and start today. The time is now. If this video has helped you, please engage with the content and join our community. Like this video, subscribe for more content, and comment below to share which business you are starting today. Remember, your future self is watching what you do next. Take that leap and begin your entrepreneurial journey now.